How to measure distance using Google Maps. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can measure the distance using your Google Maps application. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that you have Maps application in your device. If you don't have this inbuilt application, you can go ahead and download this from your Play Store by simply searching for Google Maps. Now as you have it, tap open your Maps application, and this being your current location, go ahead and pin onto any location that you would like. As you do so, it will show a dropped pin. Tap open the drop down menu. Here you will see measure distance. Tap it, and here you can add a point. Once you do so, you will see 2 minutes. You can also extend or decrease your point depending upon your preference. In order to add a point to this location, tap on Add Point. Just like so, this is how you can measure distance in your Google Maps. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case you would like to see more videos on Google Maps, do comment down below and like and subscribe to our channel if it had helped you in any ways. We will see you soon in our next upload.